In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful letters like this by using a regular pen and paper. This technique is called faux calligraphy. Hi, welcome to the second video of this faux calligraphy series where I'm going to show you how you can start learning calligraphy without the need of any expensive tools or any previous creative knowledge. Yesterday we went over the lowercase letters, so today we're going to review the uppercase letters. So if you want to check any of these videos, make sure you go to the description down below. I'm going to put the links to all of them. Started with faux calligraphy, all you need is a writing tool and a writing surface. In here I'm using a regular notebook and a Staedtler Tripos 5 liner that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to put the link down below. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with the 3 simple steps to create faux calligraphy. The first step is to write the letter or word. The second step is to draw outlines to the downstrokes. And then the third step is to fill in the outlines. Or don't. This is the part where you can get creative with it. And in calligraphy, a downstroke is every time you move your pen downward. Now that you know the 3 basic steps to create faux calligraphy, I recommend that you go over the whole alphabet like the one you see here in uppercase letter. If you want to learn how to make lowercase letters, make sure you check my first video, which I go over the whole alphabet. Let's go ahead and get started with tracing the letters. This is the first part of my worksheet. I recommend you to go ahead and trace the whole alphabet, and this is important so you can start learning the letter forms and creating muscle memory. If you pay close attention, I lift my pen every time I'm making a new stroke. This is especially important that you get used to it because it will help you as you start doing calligraphy with a brush pen or a pointed pen. And as you're doing each letter, pay close attention every time you move your pen downward, because the next step is to add outlines to the downstroke. When I first started doing calligraphy, I used to hate the letter L and the letter D because I had such a hard time getting these letters to look right. But after I practiced a lot, I was able to get the letter form just right. So if there is a letter that you don't like doing, make sure you practice and do different styles of it, because that's gonna help you get the letter form a little bit better. And actually my favorite letter to write is the letter A and the letter M. And I'm curious to know which is the letter that you love or hate the most. Let me know in the comments. This is the second part of the worksheet where you will be tracing the letter forms again and adding the outlines to the downstrokes. This part I decided to go ahead and speed it up just because doing each letter, it takes a long time. Make sure when you are actually going over the worksheet, you take your time and go slow. This is just for video purposes. The third part of my worksheet is for you to try it yourself, and basically you're gonna combine steps 1 and 2, and then you are gonna add the third step, which is to fill in the outlines. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the whole alphabet in here too, so you can see how the letters would look when you combine the 3 steps. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be making new calligraphy videos every week. If you have any questions about calligraphy or anything that you would like to know, make sure you leave it in the comments below because that will give me ideas for the new videos that I'm going to create. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to go over to my blog to get access to the free calligraphy worksheet that goes along with this video so you can go ahead and start practicing today.